guys, welcome to the video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can download Minecraft for free on your device. So let's get started. So you need two things, and I have left the link in the description, and I'll show you how to download them and how to use them properly without getting any virus or getting into trouble from anything. So you just have to go to the link in the description. It will take you to these two websites. So first thing that you need to download is Java. Java is the most important thing to run Minecraft. Even the official launcher needs Java installed. Some of you guys may know that, but some of you guys may not know that. The second thing you need is the T launcher. It is the launcher of Minecraft, the best launcher of Minecraft. So just here you can see you can download it for Windows, Mac or Linux. So what you have to do is click on download TL. When you click it, there will be a window and just select whichever platform that you are using. I'm using Windows, so I'll download it for Windows. Wait for a second and it will install in just some seconds. So when it is installed, you have to go and install Java. Just install Java and click on open and open it and just click on continue and finish. It will just install. That is very small step, so that's why I'm not showing it. Just click on open when you have installed the TL launcher setup. It will come a window like this. Then if you have a antivirus installed in your device, it may say that it has virus or suspicious file detected. So just click on ignore and OK. I'm using this launcher for quite a while now, and I am having no trouble in my computer. So this is file is 100% secure. So what you have to do, once you have opened the setup, is just click on continue. Once you click on continue, there will be two options. I accept the terms of license of the license agreement. Just select that and click on continue, and then continue, and then it will install, and then you can select run T launcher, create a shortcut on the desktop, whichever you want. I'm showing you so that's why I'm selecting run T launcher. Then just click on continue and wait for some time, or you can open it from the icon. So here you guys can see T launcher for Minecraft. Here you can do multiple things. You can change your name, which will appear in the game, or you can change the Minecraft version that you want to use. You can change to the latest version, or you can just go down to the first version, or you can just go down the version that you want. So just select whichever you want. In this case I'll be showing you Minecraft 1.15.2. So I'll show you it in a second, latest version, and the new versions also get selected, also get added in the T launcher. So just click on enter the game and wait for some time. When you run it on the first time, it will take hardly 10 to 15 seconds, but when you keep using it, it will lower down to just 5 or 6 seconds. So we will wait for it. It may take time in opening Minecraft, because when you first time open things, it usually takes time even in the official things. So wait for Minecraft to open, and I will show you. And here you guys can see Minecraft has opened. Minecraft 1.15.2. Here you guys can see you can play multiplayer, or you can just play single player. In this case I will show you single player. So just click on create new world and just keep whatever you want. Here you can see it's truly a survive real launcher, you may think, but it is a cracked version. So here I am putting this seed 66, which is a horror seed. You can try it on your own, and you can change the options whichever you want. Done, create new world, and I'll show you this. I've speed up the process, not this one, but when I play game you will see it faster, because I don't want you to waste your time. So I'll just show you. And when you may create a new world, it will take time if you have a slow processor. I have a not very slow, but I will say a decent processor, but it still takes time, about 15, 20 seconds, or maybe even 30. So just wait for it, be patient, and it will open the world. Here you guys can see. Thank you guys for watching. I will meet you guys in my next video, and make sure to subscribe and like my video. Thank you guys.